Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Tanushree. I make videos about fitness and beauty. I am bring for you 10 form of advanced yoga which will not only help you to lose weight but also help you to increase the strength of your muscle, toning your body and strengthening your calves muscle, thigh, arm and your shoulder. These are mostly cardiovascular exercise which will challenge your strength. So before starting this exercise, I will highly recommend you to do some warm up, or you can do Surya Namaskara. And if you want to know how to do Surya Namaskara, I will give the link in my description box. I have a video on this. And so now let's get started.
We are starting with Utkatasana. Joint your palm and while inhale up and while exhale down. Try to push back your hips and your knees should not go beyond your toes. Maintain the position and do it for 10 to 15 times. If you have knee pain, try to avoid this exercise. Instead of that, you can do simply hand stretch up and down or hand side by side. That will help you to prepare your body. Okay, moving into the second exercise, downward dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. For this, your feet should place the floor completely. If you cannot do so, you can keep your toe only, and it's a variation of downward dog. So lift your right knee first, then touch the left elbow, then lift your right knee, touch your nose, then touch your right elbow, and then going back to Bhujangasana. Release your toes, stretch your back as much as possible. Hold for a few seconds, your breath should be normal, and then going back to dog. This time lift your left leg, touch your right elbow, then go back to the same position. Now touch your nose, then touch your left elbow. Going back to dog. Breathe. Now again Bhujangasana. We are going to repeat this step once again. While coming back to Bhujangasana, you can see I am maintaining the plank position and then slowly keeping my abdomen down. By doing this, I am creating more pressure on my arms and shoulder. That will help me to strengthen my upper body. And the next variation is Trikonasana. To start with Trikonasana, spread your leg and hand, then your right hand down, touch the ground, and left hand towards the sky. Try to create a straight line and look upwards towards the sky. Then slowly get up, and we are reaching the warrior position now. Right leg bent, then right hand up towards the sky and rest your left hand on your thigh. Maintain this position for 2-3 seconds. Then coming back to the same position, spread your legs, spread your hands, relax, and we are going to repeat the same other side. This time left hand touch the ground, right hand towards the sky. Try to look on your right hand upwards. Then going back to the warrior position on your left, bend your left knee. Then slowly rise up. Pause. And then coming back to the straight position. Repeat the Trikonasana variation once again. If you are doing with me, follow the steps. Friends, you get to see many different types of workout in my channel. I recommend you select according to your choice, yoga or Surya Namaskara or high intensity workout according to your choice, and do it with me, because most of the workout episode created in that way, so you can do it with me. And now relax, pause for few seconds, and next touch the ground, going back to downward dog position. And from this position, bend your knees front side. Do not touch the ground. You should give the pressure on your toe. This variation called small dog. Breathe in when you are closing and breathe out when you are opening up. Spread your palm wide open so there is less tension on your shoulder. And repeat this at least 10 times. Here. And now relax for a few seconds. We are moving to the next variation. Coming back to Namaskara position. Then bend slowly, touch the ground. If you can, you place your palm and jump back. Jump back and do the Bhujangasana. If it is too much pressure for you, you can place your abdomen on the floor and stretch your back. While you are doing this, make sure your toes are open and relax. Then slowly coming back to dog position and up. There will be a lot of repetition in this 20 minutes workout, but trust me guys, all the repetition are good for you. If you repeat this exercise, then only you can increase your strength. Your muscle will feel the pressure. Now I am repeating the Bhujangasana once again. Jump back. If you have knee pain or body pain, then do not jump. In that case, you can do simple Bhujangasana like how I am doing now. And now from this position, engage your glute and stretch back, relax, bend your head, and we are going to do some back exercise. Engage your core muscle and squeeze, lift your back, then release it, push back your glute, inhale and exhale. When you are creating the circle, then inhale, and when you are releasing, look front and exhale. Repeat this exercise at least 10 times. Now moving to Chakrasana. Prepare your body and mind. Fold your knees, give a little more gap between your legs, place your hand beside your ear, and now lift your body. Keep this position for a few seconds if you can. Then slowly down. Repeat this once again with me. Spread your legs. Place your hand beside your ears. When you feel comfortable, then only you lift your body. Next one is my favorite one, Halasana. Breathe in, then joint your toes and raise your legs off the ground, and only your toes should touch the ground behind your head. Hands should touch the ground straight. Hold this position for a few seconds, then slowly come back to the position and relax, lie down. We are going to repeat this Halasana once again. Again, off the ground your legs and place it behind your head. Your toe should touch only. Relax, breathe normal, and then slowly come back to the position. After doing back to back Chakrasana and Halasana, I like to stretch my body up front. And the next asana is Sarvangasana. Bring both of your legs up, then lift your both legs up towards the sky and hold this position for a few seconds. Make sure your chest should touch the chin and create a straight line. Repeating the asana once again. Lift your body, chest closer to your chin, create a straight line, hold for a few seconds. You can even support on your back. I am holding my hip area. And now it's time to relax our body. We will do Markatasana. To start with, you lift your left leg, fold it, cross it towards your right side, and with help of your right hand push back your left knee and touch the ground. While you are doing, make sure your shoulder should not be lifted up. And now repeating the same on the other side. Lift your left leg, fold it, cross towards the left knee and bend towards your left side with help of your hand and stretch. After holding for a few seconds, back to the position. We will do it once again. Here I am repeating Markatasana one more time. Do it with me. This will relax your body and calm down your body. Cool down session is very important as the warm up session is important. For any exercise, whether you are doing high intensity or low intensity workout or asana or cardio. And the last asana name is Pavan Muktasana variation. Fold both of your knees, then place your left leg on right knee and then fold it. Then again repeating the same on the other side. Cross your leg, then fold it inwards and try to touch your head on your knee. Relax. Once again, head. Friends, I have designed this particular sequence which will help you to lose weight, strengthen your muscle, tone up your body beautifully. Make sure your repetitions are correct, your breath, your postures are correct. If you are someone who wants to lose weight as well as want to focus on stretching and strengthening part, then this particular sequence is appropriate for you. You can even decide your yoga in this way. If you are doing workout 5 days in a week, 2 days for cardio, 2 days for yoga, and rest of the day dance workout or gym, whatever is your preference.
I hope you like this video, and if you want me to create more such fitness related video, then please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.